How to get Google Gemini on your iPhone. Simply open up your App Store and search here Google Gemini. Then you can see the apps. Press on get and download it. Once download complete, press on open. Then sign in with your any Gmail account. Now you can access. Press on allow. Hey Gemini, how are you today?
As a large language model, I don't experience days in the same way humans do.
And if you want to live chat, then you can also
Hi,
use
I'm
this
Gemini.
option.
We're about to go live.
Thank you.
Where you can
Have a good
explore
day.
complex.
And if you want to add to your home screen, then you can see, press on these apps, press on add to home screen, then it will be added here. Simply press on this option, then your Gemini will be turned on. Thank you. Have a good day.